Welcome back, everyone. I'm going to be showing you guys in this episode how you can go ahead and adjust the header/navigation on your SharePoint site. So if you come over here to the settings option and come over to change the look, it's going to give us the option, or we can go ahead and we can adjust the theme. So if we want to change the theme or the color of our site, we can do that. From there, if we go back to header, we can change the header style. So you can see it was on minimal, but we can change it to compact, we can change it to standard, we can change it to extended. But let's say that we're happy with the compact option. In addition to that, we can also change the theme color. So you can see it's changing the background color here. We can add an image if you want. So we can add an image here. And we can change the site logo. So you can do all that from right here. In addition to that, you can also change the navigation on your site. So you can change it from mega menu to cascading. And there's also the footer option. So we can always change the footer on your site. So right now it's just simple, and we can always add an extended footer if we want to as well. But right now our footer doesn't really have anything on it, so there's not much to change there. And that's pretty much